third one of the 20th is third property, sin c plus sin d is equal to what we got, twice of sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Fourth one, sin c minus sin d is equal to twice of cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. In the case of plus, first sin c plus d by 2, then cos c minus d by 2, and in case of minus, cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. So students, you need to learn all the property and write it together. When you learn all the identities, all the formula, then only you can solve the exercise. So here I am going to explain some question from the exercise 3.3. First question of this very much simple, already you can solve. It is given, find the value of, prove the value of sin square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4 is equal to minus 1 upon 2. So students, here only one thing, so many of you know I have explained pi is equal to 180 degree. So wherever you will get pi, you put 180 divided by 6. Means pi is 180 degree. So pi by 6 means 30 degree. So easily you can understand, so many of you learned, these are the very familiar values. You need to learn it also. Pi by 6, 30 degree. Pi by 3, 60. 180 by 3, 60 degree. Pi by 4, 180 by 4, 45 degree. So you need to learn. I will write here, these are the important values. You need to learn it also. Pi by 6, pi by 3, 60 degree. Pi by 4, 45 degree, and pi by 2, you can tell pi by 2 90 degree. Easily you can, pi is 180 degree. So these values you need to learn. So there is the exercise 3.3. So sin pi by 6 means sin 30. What is the value of, put the value of sin 30. I have taken LHS part. Sin 30, 1 upon 2, its square, plus cos 60, and cos 60 is also 1 upon 2, so 1 upon 2 the whole square. Tan 45, that is 1, so 1 square. 1 upon 2 square, 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4 minus 1. So 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4, 1 upon 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 upon 2 minus 1 is equal to minus 1 upon 2. So we got it is equal to RHS. Hence this first one is proved. Question number 4 here, because second, third, so much easily you can solve. Question number 4. Twice of sin square 3 upon 4 plus twice of cos square pi by 4 plus 2 sec square pi by 3 is equal to, we need to prove 10. So in LHS, but one thing is here, 3 pi by 4. Already in second exercise we have discussed how can we find out the values of this type of function which is more than 90 degree or more than 180 degree. So like it is 3 pi by 4. This is less than pi because 4 से divide करो तो 1 pi, it is less than pi. इसको नोट कर सकते हो, pi minus pi by 4. So sin pi minus pi by 4 plus this is the known value 2 cos pi by 4. Cos pi by 4 means cos 45. Cos 45 1 upon root 2 is its square plus 2 sec 30 sec 60. What is the value of sec 60 degree? That is 2. Right now 2, because cos 60 1 upon 2, therefore sec 60 is 2 its square. And sin 180 minus theta, already I have explained the property. Sin 180, sin pi minus theta is equal to sin theta. It goes in second quadrant, and in second quadrant sin is positive, therefore sin theta means sin pi by 4 find out hoga. And what is the value of sin pi by 4? 1 upon root 2, its square. Then simplify, 2 into 1 upon root 2 square, that is 1 upon 2. 2 into 1 upon 2, 2 cancel ho gaya 1. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1 9 and 2 cancel 1. So 8 plus 1 9 plus 1 10, therefore 10. So it is also equal to the RHS. Next question number 5th. Its first part, here I have explained sin, find the value of sin 75 degree. This is the unknown value, you know, its value you don't know. So this value can be find out with the help of x plus y or x minus y. So split this 75 in x and y such that either x and y must be known values like 45, 30, 60, 90, whatever. So this 75 degree. So I can write it 45 plus 30 because 45 is known and 30 is also known value. So this can be written 45 plus 30. You can write it now 45 plus 30 degree. So then apply the formula sin 45 plus 30. Which formula can be applied? Sin of x plus y. You know its formula already, you know. Today also I have explained sin x plus y. What is sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y. What is sin 45? 1 upon root 2. Cos 30, root 3 upon 2. Plus cos 45, 1 upon root 2. Sin 30, 1 upon 2. So it becomes root 3 upon 2 root 2 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. So denominator same. So therefore root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. So this is the value of sin 75 degree. Similarly here its second part is given, find the value of tan 15 degree. So what you can write 15? You can write 45 minus 30. So tan 45 minus 30. Then apply the formula of tan x minus y. What is the formula of tan x minus y? Tan x minus tan y upon 1 plus tan x into tan y. X is equal to 45 and y is equal to 30. Put करना है और उसको solve कर लेना. I hope you can solve the second one. Then I have explained the question number 6. Question number 6, it is given that prove cos pi by 4 minus x into cos pi by 4 minus y minus sin pi by 4 minus x into sin pi by 4 minus y is equal to sin of x plus y. This you need to prove. So see LHS once again I have written here cos pi by 4 minus x into cos pi by 4 minus y minus sin pi by 4 minus x sin pi by 4 minus y. So if you see this cos pi by 4 minus x, here is also pi by 4 minus x. This is pi by 4 minus y. This is also pi by 4 minus y. So it is in the form of cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y. That's why I have said all the given identity you need to learn. Then only you can solve the question. Here is the formula cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y. It is the formula cos x plus y. What is at the place of x? Pi by 4 minus x. So cos pi by 4 minus x plus y is pi by 4 minus y. And pi by 4 plus y by 4, pi by 2. So cos of pi by 2 minus x minus y. If minus common, then x plus y. Then here is one more identity is applied. One more formula is comes. Cos 90 minus theta. You know cos pi by 2 minus theta. What is? Sin theta. That's why we got sin theta. What is theta? X plus y. So sin x plus y. Hence RHS. So this also proved. Next question number 7. Prove that tan pi by 4 plus x upon tan pi by 4 minus x is equal to 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan x the whole square. So think how can you prove? This question can be proved by using the formula of tan of x plus y and here tan of x minus y. So LHS, I have started from LHS. Here write the formula of tan of x plus y. That is tan x means tan pi by 4 plus tan y, that is tan x upon what is 1 minus tan x into tan y, and tan x minus y is equal to tan x minus tan y upon 1 plus tan x into tan y. What is tan pi by 4? Means tan 45. The value of tan 45 1. 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan pi by 4 is 1 into tan x. Then tan pi by 4 1 minus tan x upon 1 plus tan x. You can see it now. Tan pi by 4 1 means tan 45 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan x, and tan pi by 4 1 minus tan x upon 1 plus 1 into tan x means 1 plus tan x. As per the property, its reciprocal can be multiplied. Its reciprocal अगर multiply करोगे तो this term, ये जो fourth term होता है ये first से multiply हो जाएगा. तो क्या मिलेगा 1 plus tan x into 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan x into 1 minus tan x. So it becomes 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan x the whole square. So this is the question number 7. Next question, student, I want to explain here. The next question I will explain. Question number 9th. I will explain the question number 9th. Question number 9th. It is given, prove that cos of 3 pi by 2 plus x into cos 2 pi plus x into cot 3 pi by 2 minus x plus cot 2 pi plus x is equal to 1. That you need to prove. So to prove this question, we'll start from LHS. Now here the formula cos 3 pi by 2 plus x. Cos 3 pi by 2 plus x. Already whenever it is a multiple of pi by 2 will come, so always cos 90 plus theta or cos 90 minus theta, that comes in the terms of sin, means sin के terms में आंसर होगा, sin x होगा. But 3 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, you need to think that where is 3 pi by 2 plus theta. अगर हम यहाँ quadrant की बात करें तो 3 pi by 2 plus theta will goes where? This is pi, this is pi plus pi by 2 means 3 pi by 2. यहाँ 3 pi by 2 plus theta means we comes in fourth quadrant, and in fourth quadrant cos is always positive. That's why cos 3 pi by 2 plus x will comes sin x. तो इसका फॉर्म, इसकी वैल्यू भी sin x into cos 2 pi plus theta. There is 2 pi and 2 pi plus theta comes in first. So that is comes in first, and in first also cos positive. So cos 2 pi plus x is equal to cos x, because जब भी pi plus theta होता है तो cos का आंसर cos के टर्म में होगा, sin का sin के टर्म में होगा. Therefore it will give cos x into cot 3 pi by 2 minus x. Same as you need to think cot 3 pi by 2 minus x. Where is 3 pi by 2 minus x? In this quadrant. 3 pi by 2 से small value यहाँ आएगा third quadrant में. And if it comes in third quadrant, cot is positive, tan and cot is positive. So therefore tan and cots are positive value. And 3 pi by, जब भी 90 का odd multiple होगा तो ये cot का tan होगा, tan का cot होगा, तो क्या मिला? tan x positive हुआ ना, that is tan x plus next one cot 2 pi x, 2 pi plus x. In which quadrant? It goes in first quadrant, and in first quadrant all the trigonometric ratios are positive. Therefore cot 2 pi plus x will gives cot x. But answer देखो 1 लाना है, तो we need to simplify it some more. That is sin x into cos x into tan x can be written. What can be written? Sin x by cos x plus cot x. What is cot x? Cos x upon sin x. Is it correct? Then take the LCM. Now you need to take the LCM. Sin x into cos x into, here we need to take the LCM. What is LCM? Sin x into cos x. So it is sin x into cos x. Then cross multiply होगा. That is sin square x plus cos square of x. देखो ये sin x cos x cancel हुआ, and sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. Hence we got it is RHS. So RHS we got it right now. So hence it is proved. This question is proved. Next question student, I want to explain next question, that is question number 12. I will explain question number 12. Remaining question you need to try the left question, बीच में in between जो questions छोड़े जा रहे हैं उनको तुम्हें try करना है, and if you are having doubt you can ask the question. Now next question is question number 12. It is given that prove that sin square 6x minus sin square 4x is equal to sin 2x into sin 10x. Sin 2x into sin 10x. LHS part, we'll take its LHS part. So first of all, in sin square x 6x minus sin square 4x, यहाँ identity use करो. Which identity applied? A square minus b square. You know the identity of a square minus b square. What is a plus b? What is a? Sin 6x plus sin 4x. Sin a plus b into a minus b. What is a? Sin 6x minus b sin 4x. Sin 6x minus sin 4x. Now use the formula of here sin c plus sin d. Today I explained the formula sin c plus sin d. You can use the formula of sin c plus sin d. What is sin c plus sin d? Twice of sin c plus d, c plus d by 2 into cos of c minus d by 2. It comes in first bracket. In second you will get, what you will get in second? You will get in second. What can you get in second? Sin c minus sin d. What is sin c minus sin d? Twice of cos. Right now? Twice of cos c plus d by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. Is it correct? You will get it. That is becomes 2 into sine 6x plus 4x, 10x by 2. So it becomes sine 5x into cos of 6x minus 4x, 2x by 2, that is x, into twice of cos 6x plus 4x, 10x by 2, that is 5x, into sine 6x minus 4x, 2x by 2, that is x. अभी देखो ये sin 5x और यहाँ आ रहा है cos 5x. Take it together, you will get twice of sin 5x into cos 5x. Next, into 2, one more 2 is here, cos x into sin x, twice of sin x into cos x. So already you know the formula for that. 2 sin theta into cos theta is equal to sin 2 theta. So similarly, 2 sin x into cos x is equal to cos 2x, and 2 sin theta into cos theta is sin 2 theta. So according to this property, it becomes sin twice of theta, means 2 into 5x, into sin 2 into x, sin 2 into x. So that's why find out हुआ sin twice of 5x is 10x into sin of 2x. So hence this is the RHS. Equal to RHS now. देखो RHS क्या है? Sin 2x into sin 10x. So we got it. Okay. So student, till 12th question I have explained today, and you need to complete the exercise how much you can solve. So there are the total 25 questions. So try the questions. Next time I will explain some more questions from this exercise, and in between that if you are having doubt you can ask. So okay, I hope you all will try the question from exercise 3.3. But to solve this exercise, firstly you need to learn all by heart all the given trigonometric identities, and also you need to understood its proof, because when you understood its proof, then you easily you can understood the question, how can you solve the question. So try the questions and ask if any having doubts. Examples also you need to try the examples. Thank you.